Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Golem token. In today's video, I would like to show you a big falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, and even on the smaller time frame chart, the movement of Golem is getting squeezed inside another falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal of Golem that I shared a few moments ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal, Garler setup that Golem has formed on the daily time frame chart. And by the way, this move is still in play. And before that, I shared another harmonic bullish reversal Garler setup a few days back on 30th of January. And you can see it was completing the final leg of this Garland move with Bitcoin pair on the 4-hour time frame chart when I shared this idea. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down for the completion of this leg, and then we can expect the price reversal. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down and moved at the very end of the buying zone, and then we had a very powerful pump. That was, by the way, more than 36% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared another harmonic bullish reversal, regardless setup on 27th of March in the month of March 2022. Yes, on 16th of March, by the way, not on 27th of March on this candlestick. And that was also with Bitcoin pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line started a nice reversal after some sideways move on this 4-hour time frame chart. Then we had a nice reversal. And here the price line reached the sell target zone. And this was, by the way, more than 16% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can join me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. And I've shared the links to join me there in the video's description. Now, let me to take you to this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that we are about to have a repetitive move because previously we had a very big formation of the falling wedge pattern that Golem broke out in the month of January 2020. And after the breakout, we had a very nice pump. By the way, from this low to this high, that was more than 3,400% pump. And now it has formed another big falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And now you can see recently we got rejection by this resistance of the wedge almost 2 weeks ago, and the price line is still moving very close to the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then here we have another formation of the falling wedge pattern, and breaking out this smaller falling wedge pattern will be a very big breakthrough for Golem. And you can see on the smaller time frame, we also have a very nice support at 22.5 cents, and you can see for the past several days, this level is working as a nice support. And now recently you can see the price line almost tested this support here as well. Now let's take a look at the targets for the breakout. If the price line breaks out this resistance of the wedge, then I'm expecting that it can hit here. It can move here at the top of the bed. That will be approximately at 28 cents. And if the price then moves at 28 cents, in that situation, it can also break out the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And the final target for this bigger falling wedge pattern after the breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately from 95 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.